You know, I looked at myself in the mirror and I was like, yeah, you look great. Well, that's not true. Anyway, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shahad. It's been a while. So for today, I just don't have anything planned, to be honest. I just wanted to put out a new video. Soft and so glowy. I was just inspired by that and I really wanted to do that. I'm not gonna follow anyone today. I'm just gonna do what I would do usually. It's soft and it's just so glowy. And yeah, let's get started. For foundation, I'm going with the Hourglass Vanish Stick foundation. I miss this. Also, it's high coverage and I really want that. I have not been feeling myself lately. I have not been, I don't know. For those of you who don't know, I just moved to Vietnam. It's so beautiful here. I did not expect that, to be honest. And yeah, we adjusted really quick around here. It's really nice. People are nice. The place that we're staying in is just beautiful. And that is that. In the shade Warm Beige, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild dual ended contour stick, and I'm just gonna use this dark shade to contour. Don't need that much. Has anyone here been to Vietnam before? Also, I'm staying in Saigon. I'm in Saigon, not in Hanoi, which is there. I think it's the capital of here or something. So if you have been here before, would you recommend any places? What do you do around here? I forgot how this is so good. It blends beautifully. Look at that. And for concealer, I'm using ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium 22. And I'm gonna bring it all the way to the lid because I'm not gonna use an eye base. And again, I'm gonna go with that stick to make sure that my nose contour is not ruined. And before setting the face, because I said I wanted to like do a more glowy type of face, I'm gonna use liquid highlighter. I'm just gonna do like a few drops right here. You don't need too much because a little goes a long way, and also here. And I'm gonna blend it with my fingers because it's better too. Okay, we are going to set the face. And for the face, I'm using the Hourglass Veil translucent powder. What did I say? I don't know. Make sure you don't have any creases under the eyes. I do. So we're just gonna make sure she's okay. She's fine. Also, I like this powder because it has like kind of a sheen to it. It kind of has this little bit of sheen to it, so like your face isn't matte. Bronze the face, and I'm gonna use this. This was a sample actually, but I forgot that I have this, and I really wanted to use it because it's nice. This is the Tarte Amazon Clay Waterproof Bronzer. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna bronze the face. Do a contour over the contour. Say what we get to be, what we were stars. Say you are made to be mine. Okay, let me zoom you in so we can start with the eyes. Okay, so as I said, for the eyes, I don't really want to do something like so like what was that? I don't know. So I'm just gonna do my brows now. Brush those bad babies up. I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I have not used that in a while. And I'm just gonna blend that out. Blend them upwards, brush them upwards. And then going in with my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, also brushing them up. For the brow bone, I'm going in with the Benefit Brow Contour Pro, and I'm gonna use the Definer shade. me. Okay, I have to do this quick. Let's wrap things up. So I'm not gonna like use so many colors. I'm just gonna go in my certified tropical wonders palette. I'm gonna use like the natural shades, like, you know, these top 3 shades. Yeah, I'm gonna mainly use these, those, them, these. What? So I'm gonna dip in this white shade and use this under the brow bone. So first shade I'm gonna dip in from this palette is the shade, and I'm just gonna pop it right under the crease. Gonna dip in the shade Shrimp right next to it, because this is kind of like a yellowish, more yellowish. I literally just mixed these 2 shades together, and I'm just blending them together. For the outer part of the eye, focusing on the shade Shrimp to give us more definition. And for the inner part of the eyes, my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Turquoise. I'm sorry, like my hair looks messy. I'm not good at hair, no, sorry. So I'm dipping in Turquoise and I'm just gonna pop that right here. Whoa. This shade so much. The palette is like more colorful, so it doesn't really have this kind of brownish shade, I want to say. So I'm just gonna use the bronzer that I used. I'm just gonna use that here for the outer portion of Zia. And I'm taking like this type of a brush. Please focus. And I'm dipping into the black shade, and I'm just gonna press on my lash line, just like that. Just like that. Leave it like that. Okay, so this eye is done. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, put on lashes, mascara, and then I'll come back to finish the rest of the face. Oh my god, like my eyes took literally less than 10 minutes. But to put on lashes with these nails, this was harder than, I don't know, like war or something. So anyway, right now it's time for blush. And of course, yeah, I'm using my e.l.f. palette first. Where is that liquid highlighter? Where did it go? Okay, highlight. First I'm gonna go with my Fenty, how many carats? I'm gonna use this brush right here. She cute. Whatever. From Rock, he's my favorite. And I'm gonna use a little bit of the Turquoise highlighter just because. Okay, now lips. I'm gonna use a liner. It's actually good. That's an ombre lip. And then on top of that, we're gonna use our Buxom lip gloss in the shade Peach something. I'm so tired. And there you guys go. This is the final look. It's nice. Everything is like dewy and just soft, nothing more color, nothing too much. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it this far of the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, tell me what more do you want to see. Ramadan is coming. I want to know what you want to see. What content would you like? Would you like Ramadan looks? Do you want something, you know, tutorials? What do you want? What do you want? Tell me. I'm listening. And yeah, it's good to be back. It's good to be filming again. I feel good. I don't know. I haven't been feeling myself lately, and I hope you understand. Sorry for not uploading so much, but yeah, it's good to be back. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please tell me what would you like to see for my next video. I would love to know that. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Also, I just want to say that I miss my sister-in-law so much. Mariam, I miss you so much. I miss Faroha. I miss you guys so much. I wish I could see you soon. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.